to God in the glory, great is He has come to glory. That He gave us His Son. Gave us who yielded His life and atonement. And His life atonement for sin. And they put the language that all must put that language that all praise the Lord, to all ourselves, to praise the name of the Lord. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Let the people come. To the Father, the Father.